कुछ बोलो। हाँ मामा के पास, सपोज योर मामा। हाँ बेटा क्या हुआ?
मामा मनाइल मुझे तंग कर रही है, मार रही है।
तो तुम क्या कर रही हो फिर? मामा, ये कैसी मामा है? सॉरी। तो तुम जाके उसे मारो तुम भी जाके
तुम उसको वापस मारो।
हाँ वापस मारो, ठीक है बस। Oh no, horrible यार। Actually, I also used to do that, and one day I kicked my sister in the stomach very badly, and then we had to take her to the doctor. So even when you hate each other, just be careful. नाक वाक ना तोड़ देना, बाद में जाके बड़ा बुरा लगेगा। Question number 9. Who was the first man to go into space? Who was the first man to go into space? Your options are Neil Armstrong, Yuri Gagarin, David Copperfield या फिर Caligula. I think you went first.
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. First man to go in space, हाँ? Not to land on the moon. देख लो, मून पे जाने से पहले बहुत लोग स्पेस पे गए होंगे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ट्राई करने के लिए। सोच समझ के जवाब दीजिएगा। She's looking like this.
Caligula.
Huh?
Caligula.
Caligula. Is that your final answer? Wrong. It's actually Yuri Gagarin. I think this gentleman was the first to go up on stage in space, and Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. Give another name for the vegetable brinjal. Brinjal एक बहुत ही famous वेजिटेबल है। उर्दू में तो उसका नाम होता है क्या होता है? ओहो, कद्दू नहीं होता, बैंगन। कद्दू, सॉरी, बैंगन होता है उसका नाम उर्दू में, लेकिन इंग्लिश में उसका दूसरा नाम क्या है? ब्रोकली, पेजली, एग प्लांट या फिर लॉन्ग बीन्स?
Eggplant.
Eggplant is the correct answer. Well done, Manahil. Manahil, what does your name mean?
Streams.
Streams, like rivers and lakes and streams. How nice. And what does your mean?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, without any further delay, we're going to see which sister has won round 1. We have the scores. Round 1 जीता है मलिया ने। Well done, Malia. You had 10 points and you had 6 points. With that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're going to move on to a break, and once you're back from the break, दोनों में से एक से गाना गवाना है, एक से थोड़ी सी dancing करवानी है. So don't go anywhere. We will be playing round 2 right after this short commercial. Both of you like the same boy.
Can we play it once more?
क्या उसने बजा दिया? But can we play it once more? गर्मी लग रही है, पानी चाहिए, क्या सीन है यार?
I don't know.
हाँ हाँ सही से। What fun! You're tuned into Bheja Fry on MTV Pakistan. अगर आप इस शो में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं, write into us at bhejafry@mtvpakistan.com. And well, we have a winner. Maliha has won round 1. And now, are we ready for round 2? लेकिन उससे पहले कुछ करके दिखाना पड़ेगा. Do you guys speak another language?
No.
Do you guys dance?
She does.
She does. Can you put on some music? Can you show us a
I
move?
wanna dance.
You don't want to dance? Can you sing? You can sing.
No.
क्या कराऊं? अच्छा पहले सवाल पूछते हैं फिर देखते हैं। सवाल पूछते हैं फिर देखते हैं। Alright, राउंड 2 में ये है सीन के हर सही जवाब के लिए +2 पॉइंट्स, हर गलत जवाब के लिए -2 नहीं होगा। लेकिन अगर आपने बजाया और आपको सवाल का जवाब नहीं आता तो she can always pull the answer from you and get a point. Similarly, you can do that one time each. ठीक है? We're going to play for the sports merchandise that's lying right over there. Good luck to both you sisters. मनाहिल तुम्हें ज्यादा, क्योंकि तुम्हें अब जीतना चाहिए। थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट ये है कि तस्वीरें दिखाऊंगी पर्सनालिटीज की, उन पर्सनालिटीज को आपने पहचानना है, मुझे बताना है कि वो कौन है। क्लियर? Without any further delay, let's begin round 2 with our first personality. No?
I can't remember his name.
You can't remember his name. His first name is also a name of a bird. अब इससे ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकते.
Sparrow.
No, not sparrow. Robin Williams is the correct answer. Very famous Hollywood actor. हाँ, Robin Williams. ये इनकी जवानी की तस्वीर है. इनकी शक्ल ऐसी हुआ करती है. All right, second personality. Oh my God! Stuff. नहीं नहीं ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. अच्छा इनके बारे में ये बता देती हूँ कि but she was like the blondie in Baywatch. Baywatch देखा है दोनों में से किसी ने? Swimming costumes में. Say it.
No, it's not.
It could be she's gone blonde.
She's not that old now. I give up.
Okay, if you give up, who were you thinking?
Pamela.
Pamela Anderson is the correct answer. See? Oh. Baywatch में और था ही कौन? This is her when she was really
I
young.
can't recognize her.
है ना? I know, even I couldn't recognize her. I don't know what my director is thinking. Third personality.
I know him. Is that from Jonas Brothers? No.
Jonas Brothers?
Kevin?
No.
He came in Castaway.
Yeah, he came Castaway.
Can't remember his name.
His name is also of that. You know, there's a mice and a cat cartoon. जो उसमें जो cat है ना, उनका पहला नाम वही है.
Tom Hankins, I think. No,
I'll give it. मेरा दिल हो रहा है. Sorry, Nazir. Tom Hanks. I'll give it to you, but this is the full question, हाँ? ये उसने बजाया था, लेकिन तुमने जवाब दिया है. 1 point. So you don't get 2, but 1. Fourth personality. अब जवानी की तस्वीर दिखाई ना तुमने, will slap you. Allah. Tough. Do your friends know? Do you know? Hint देती हूँ. He worked with Sandra Bullock in a film. He looks a little very good looking, and he looks a little like this these days. मूवी का नाम बता देती हूँ. एक मूवी के उन्होंने काम किया था. It was called The Matrix.
Keanu Reeves.
Keanu Reeves is the correct answer. With multiple hints. My director is having a great time over there. But yeah, doesn't look it, huh? And the last picture. Yeah, that's easy. Yes, madam.
Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel, correct answer. Well done, both of you. Do you guys watch films?
Yeah.
हिंदी फिल्में, अंग्रेजी फिल्में, किसका शौक है?
दोनों का.
दोनों. तो एक सीन हो जाए दोनों बहनों के बीच में. Now suppose both of you like the same boy. हो ही नहीं सकता. faces हो ही नहीं सकता.
हो ही नहीं सकता.
लेकिन ये फिल्म है, ये असलियत नहीं है.
अच्छा.
And the boy. Okay? Now you two need to have a bit of a filmy dialogue exchange, and both of you are trying to make a sacrifice. क्योंकि हिंदी फिल्मों में ये थोड़ी होता है कि they're jealous. नहीं बहन तुम मुझसे शादी करोगी. And you're like नहीं बहन तुम करोगी. तो जरा सा एक हो जाए एक्टिंग स्किल्स आपकी जरा देखते हैं. What fun! चलो 2 lines. Look at your sister and begin. Come on, Manayan. You can do it.
I just tell her to buzz off.
Buzz off. And what would you say?
I'll just say I found him first. Why don't you go and find someone else?
I found him first. Go and find somebody
This
else.
is fine. Okay.
ये रहा तुम्हारा प्यार. Terrible, Manayan. Not even going to fight, यार. Okay, fine. Alrighty, we're going to now listen to some tunes. पहचानो इन tunes को, बताओ ये कौन से